Welcome to Brahmi Creation. If you are new here, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell for further updates. Today I am explaining one beautiful sari kuchu design. For that I am taking 7 strands of silk thread along with 10 0.75 mm crochet hook. I am using round bead, small bead and leaf bead. At first I am going to lock this thread into sari. Lock the thread. Then add one ring bead here. Lock the thread, measure where it is reaches, then fix here. After locking the bead, I am taking one block of 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Lock here. Then take another one ring bead. Then lock the bead into sari. Just repeat the process. Till the end of the sari. Repeat like this. Add one bead, one block of 3 chain, one bead, one block of 3 chain. Just continue this process till the end of the sari. At the end, make one chain, pull the thread, then cut it. Baseline will look like this. Where here I am adding tassel. For the tassel I am taking 160 strands of silk thread and 4 strands of zari thread in normal needle. Pass the thread here. Make a knot. A knot, then pass the needle from back side, pull it tightly, then cut the thread here. You can see one block of 3 chain. There also I am adding tassel. For that I am taking 120 strands of silk thread in big eye needle. Pass the needle through here. You can see. Here I am knotting the kuchu. one knot, then make another knot, then just pass this needle through middle of the kuchu, see, like this. Like this only. Then you have to take round bead and leaf bead in this needle. See, one small bead, one leaf bead, one small bead, one leaf bead and one small bead. Then pass this needle in between the kuchu, pull the needle. Then make another knot. Then cut the thread. It look like this, and then continue this process till the end. After adding a tassel, kuchu will look like this. Thank you for watching.